Hey everyone! Accessing Cpanel on Hostinger is super easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So start by opening Hostinger in your browser and logging into your account. So once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with all your hosting services. So Hostinger is a global platform where you can manage websites, emails, domains, and more, all in one place. So from there, just head over to the hosting section and select the project you want to work on, like your domain. So you'll be taken to the main hosting dashboard, also called as hPanel, which is Hostinger's version of Cpanel. Unlike some other providers with messy layouts, Hostinger's hPanel is clean, simple, and organized. You'll see everything you need right away: your hosting details, domain status, emails, and even daily backups. And also, there's a file manager where you can upload or manage your website files easily. And if you're working with databases, there's a dedicated section for that too. So that's how you can access and manage your Cpanel on Hostinger. Thanks for watching.